is Carly Champagne. I'm a federal policy fellow working in the Office of Child Care on our tribal request for information. In this video, I'll provide a summary of the RFI's background and questions relating to increasing family access to childcare, specifically in relation to consumer education and child eligibility. In relation to consumer education, tribal lead agencies with medium and large allocations must meet some consumer education requirements, including maintaining a parental complaint hotline and disseminating information about available providers to parents, providers, and the general public on child care services. Tribal lead agencies are also required to share consumer-friendly and easy-to-access provider-specific monitoring and inspection reports and a provider-specific statement summarizing the tribe's health and safety policies. Tribal lead agencies with small allocation are exempt from these requirements. As part of this tribal request for information, OCC is interested to hear about barriers, challenges, and solutions related to the consumer education requirements for tribal CCDF programs. OCC is also interested in hearing specifically from families participating in tribally administered child care subsidy programs about their needs for consumer education. So specifically, OCC poses the following questions for feedback on tribal CCDF programs. First, what is the minimum information that you feel is appropriate to share with families and the public so that families are informed about local child care providers and services? What suggestions do you have to improve the consumer education requirements for tribal lead agencies? What are the best ways to communicate child care information in tribal nations and communities? And finally, as a family participating in CCDF, if that applies to you, do the consumer education resources offered through your tribal CCDF program meet your needs? Another topic related to increasing family access to tribal childcare is children's eligibility. CCDF child eligibility requirements differ for tribal lead agencies depending on the funding allocation size. Tribal lead agencies with small allocations can consider any Native child in their service area automatically eligible for services, regardless of income level, work, education, or training status of their parents. This is called categorical eligibility and offers broad flexibility in serving Native children and families. For tribal lead agencies with medium and large allocations, most children are eligible only if their parent or guardian is enrolled in a work, training, or educational activity and must have an income that does not exceed 85% of the grantee median income, where 100% of the median income is where half of the households in the service area earn more and half earn less. Tribal lead agencies with medium and large allocations can use categorical eligibility if they can demonstrate that 100% of their tribal median income, or TMI, is less than 85% of the state median income, or SMI. For instance, if the TMI is $6,629 and 85% of the SMI is $7,806, then that tribal lead agency can implement categorical eligibility. Not all tribal nations with medium and large allocations can demonstrate this, and we have heard that it's challenging to have to demonstrate this every 3 years for each plan cycle. For more information about categorical eligibility for tribal lead agencies with medium or large allocations, view this resource. As part of our tribal request for information, OCC is interested to hear if tribal nations can adequately meet the childcare needs of their citizens and community with the existing CCDF eligibility requirements. And if not, we're interested to hear what kinds of changes to the requirements would better enable tribal lead agencies to serve Native children and families who are in need of childcare services. Thank you very much for listening, and we look forward to your feedback on OCC's Tribal CCDF program. Please visit our Tribal RFI resource page for easy access to the full RFI text, as well as other videos and fact sheets.